Tired of watching your crypto gains sit on Coinbase and ready to turn them into real-world pounds? This video is your complete guide to withdrawing money from Coinbase to your UK bank account, making the process simple and secure. First, ensure you are logged into your Coinbase account on your web browser or the mobile app. Next, locate and click on the Send, Receive button. This is usually found on the top right-hand corner of the Coinbase website or at the bottom of the app screen. Now, select the Sell tab here. You'll choose the cryptocurrency you want to sell for GBP, essentially converting it to cash within Coinbase. Choose the specific cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw from the drop-down menu and enter the amount you want to sell in GBP. Double-check the conversion rate. Click Preview Sell to see a summary of your transaction, including any associated fees and the final amount you'll receive. Confirm the details carefully. If everything looks correct, click Sell Now. Your cryptocurrency will now be converted to GBP in your Coinbase account. With GBP now available in your Coinbase account, navigate to the Withdraw section. This may be under the Settings or Accounts tab, depending on your device. Select your linked UK bank account as the destination for your withdrawal. If you haven't linked your bank account yet, you'll need to do so by following Coinbase's verification process. This usually involves entering your account details and verifying a small deposit. Enter the amount you want to withdraw in GBP, keeping in mind any withdrawal limits Coinbase may have in place. These limits can vary depending on your account level and verification status. Review the details one last time, including the amount, destination bank account, and any potential fees, then confirm the withdrawal. Coinbase will typically send you a confirmation email. Withdrawal times to UK bank accounts usually range from 13 business days. Keep an eye on your bank statement. Now go enjoy your GBP. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto guides.